Understanding dam maintenance. Essential for safety and sustainability. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dam maintenance. This is not only an important term in engineering and environmental science, but also a great example of how specific phrases can be crucial in technical contexts. So, let's dive in and learn about what dam maintenance entails. Before we understand dam maintenance, we must know what a dam is. A dam is a large structure built across rivers or streams to control the flow of water. It's used for various purposes like water supply, irrigation, flood control, and generating electricity. Dams are significant engineering feats and play a crucial role in water management. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of preserving something in its original condition or preventing it from failing. It involves regular checks, repairs, and updates. In our daily lives, we maintain our cars, homes, and even our health. Maintenance is key to longevity and efficiency. Combining these two concepts, dam maintenance involves the activities and processes to keep a dam functioning safely and effectively. It includes regular inspections, repairing any damage, updating old structures, and ensuring that the dam can handle the water it controls. Proper maintenance is crucial for preventing disasters like dam failures, which can lead to severe flooding and damage. Dam maintenance is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of communities living downstream. A poorly maintained dam can pose a significant risk of flooding. Secondly, it's essential for environmental protection. Dams impact river ecosystems, and maintenance helps mitigate negative effects. Lastly, it ensures the dam's purpose, like electricity generation or water supply, is met efficiently. We hope this video has been informative and helped you understand the importance of dam maintenance. It's a great example of how English phrases can be specific to certain fields like engineering. Remember, learning such terms not only improves your language skills but also your knowledge of different subjects. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.